Well, now this is the time for our next session, which is an EdTech presentation. For this, I would like to call on stage Mr. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, Manager Sales, Epson India Private Limited. Come on, everybody. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲?
A very good afternoon. Namaskar. I think everybody is sleeping. My name is 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲. I am from Epson, North Region Manager Sales. So, do you know about Epson? Anybody? Printers. Other than printers? Anybody? Any guess? Wild guess? Yes, projectors. Other than? What? Okay. This is also the part of the projectors. Other than printers, projectors. No tablets. Okay. I'll share this part later on. If we talk about the Epson, so we are the 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 Corporation Group. Anybody knows about the 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 watches? Yes. So we are the 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 Corporation Group. So we are the 1 trillion, turnover company worldwide. Over 70 years of experience, 23 manufacturing plants we have, and 85 companies worldwide. So if we talk about the Epson strategy, so Epson, we have 4 innovations like inkjet innovations, visual innovations, variable innovations, and we have a robotics innovations. Apart from the innovations, we also have some responsibility towards the environment. Nowadays, everybody is talking about the environment, what we are saving for our future generations. So we also have a strategy. We established our vision for this environment. It is Epson will become a carbon negative and underground resources free company by 2050. So this is our environmental vision. By 2050 we will be the carbon negative company. So and for that we are doing innovations to achieve this goal. Now if we talk about the Epson India, we are having our head office in Bengaluru, and we are having 29 branch offices across India. Along with we are having office in Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bhutan, Nepal, and Bangladesh also. So if we talk about the staff strength, we are having 343 employees across India and 430 service centers. Now, if we talk about the focus segment in India, product-wise, like we are focusing on home and offices, we are focusing on commercial printing, we are focusing on education, we are focusing on government, retail, photography, healthcare. So these are the focusing segment. Now, printers. We have a printing segment. 2 types of printers in the market is there, like color printer and mono printers. So we have the both color EcoTank printers and the mono EcoTank printers. Like eco printers, if we talk about why we say this eco printers, the reason behind this, it has integrated EcoTank system. The benefit of these printers we are having is micro piezo heat-free technology, which provides you the lowest printing cost, like 7 paisa for black and 12 paisa for color. So the benefit of the customer is easily hassle-free refilling is available. So you do not have to call to your call center guy to just come and refill your print cartridges. Heat-free technology, what we call about heat-free technology. There's a 2 type of technologies available in India, laser and inkjet. Laser is called a, heat technology. Why? Can anybody explain? Any idea? Any guesses? Why we are saying that the laser is the heat technology and the inkjet is heat free? There is a technology behind this, very lengthy process, but technology behind this. There is a, fusor, toner, which we have to charge. For that, it use heats to, print the printout. This is the disadvantage of the laser technology, but in the inkjet technology, there is no heat involved. So, no heat involved means no environmental impact. So, we are using a precision core head, which provides you the, high-speed printing and, energy-saving option. If we talk about the eco printers range, we have color eco tank printers and mono eco tank printers. Anybody sleeping? No questions. I think I'm just running on the. Anyway, so we have a very vast range, and more than 40-45 models we have, and all the specifications in all color printers and the all mono printers, according to the need of the customers. How, ma'am? No, ma'am. We also have a 100 ppm machine. Now the technology is, defining day by day. So we cannot say that the laser is the best or inkjet is the best. It depending upon the customer need. We also have a segment like business printers. आपने देखा होगा like Canon and 𝗙𝗶𝗹𝗃 machines like in your schools and all. We say these printers, RIPs, replaceable ink pack system. Why this RIPs is? Because they are having a pouch, 750 ml pouch, 1 liter pouch. So you can print up to 1 lakh printouts in a single refill. So this use the precision core technology with lowest, office cost printing, and it use Dura-Bright ink. This is fade proof, waterproof, smudge proof. So we can say that the printout life is approximately more than 20 years, 30 years. This is another segment, enterprises printers. This is what we were talking about, 100 ppm. 100 ppm means 100 pages per minute. Where the requirement, printing requirements is very high, like 10,000 pages per day, 15,000 pages per day, 20,000 per day. So these machines are, built for that environment. So this use the precision core technology for high volume printing, low energy consumption, significantly reduce waste. So you can control your printing environment also. So we provide the software, admin software, so you can control your printing environment. This is the another segment, photo ink tank printers. This is the first original, eco tank system. So you can print your 4R size, you can print your A4 size. This comes with 6 colors. So your printing quality will be enhanced. So this also use your micro piezo heat-free technology, so which can reduce your power consumption. Now the another vertical is projectors. So we have a multimedia projectors. If we talk about projectors, we are the world leader in projectors. Worldwide we are #1, and in India we are #1. So we use 3 LCD technology for clear and defined images. So we can say that it is 3 times bright colors with equal white and color light output. So Wi-Fi enabled and easy fast connectivity is there. These are the range for the projectors. Ultra short throw for education segment. We are having a retail projectors segment, home theater projectors, and multimedia projectors for large venue. Large format printers, another segment. Like if you know about the, it starts from 24 inches to 64 inches. So versatile in handling media type, size and thickness, waterproof, weight, fade proof, scratch resistant. So low cost and high quality printing. These are the range for, large format printers. This used for photo proofing, CAD printers, signage printing, digital photo lab, photo printers, direct to garment printers, and direct to fabric also. Directly you can print on any fabric, like t-shirt, like shirt, anything. Industrial equipment. We also have a industrial equipment like 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲. We call this machine the 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, digital press lab. This is a 7-color inkjet printer with ink tank that produce high quality printing even on clear and metallic substrates. This prints directly on actual substrate without pre-coating. Built-in touch screen print control. Another segment we have scanning, document and photo scanning. Like for your high-speed scanning, high-volume scanning, and the vibrate scans. Scanner range we talk about, we have a document scanner, film and photo scanner. We have portable scanner also. Another segment we have dot matrix. Do you know about dot matrix? Nobody knows. Okay. ये पुराना टेक्नोलॉजी था जब प्रिंटिंग शुरू हुआ था. That yes, impact printing. And what is the benefit of dot matrix? You can, print 1+2 copies, 1+5 copies, which nobody, no technology can't provide, like laser, inkjet. So only 1+2 or 1+3, 1+4 copies. So dot matrix is the only solution. So we are also the world leader in this segment. Advanced paper handling for multiple media types. Again, the economical solution with a range of, printers to build every budget. Pause printers. Anybody knows about pause printers? I think there are so many ladies. This is basically a bill printers. Whenever you go to restaurant, any retail outlet, the bill you get from there. So it comes from the, pause printers. These are the range for pause printers, tablet pause we have passbook printers. Another segment we are having, label printers. Label printers, I think this is handle on demand and desktop label printing. Like it is, we can say that ideal solution for asset tagging. Like whatever asset you have in your kitchen, in your work environment, like your laptop, desktop, whatever it is, if you want to tag. So these are the solutions you can get from these label printers. Robots. Anybody knew this? The Epson also make the robots. We are the leaders in robotic segment also. Global market leader for more than 30 years. Unparalleled flexibility. Robots in India, if you can say, many of the banks are using robots, currency sorting. Many of the banks. Even though we are in the manufacturing segment also, where the 2-axis or 4-axis, 6-axis robots are working. So these are the segments we are catering in manufacturing. Consumables, of course, last but not the least, if you are having a printers, you require consumables also. So we have a ribbons, we have a ink consumables, media, ink bottles, ink packs, and the customer support. So we are having a 430 service centers across India, 700 plus service engineers and the help desk. These are the contact numbers, toll-free contact numbers from 9 to 6. Thank you guys. Thank you for your patience. I know. Thank you. Any question? Any question like related to your printing, projections, whatever you use in your schools? कोई भी type का कोई?
Let me try one question.
Yes, yes.
You have this great scanning technique.
Yes.
But is it also voice enabled? So I can scan a document and it will give me a voice what is said there.
I'm not getting you. What? Scanning document and?
And then put it in voice, so it will reply what is being written, is talk to you. Like voice enabled scanning.
No, it's not.
That's not there by Epson.
No.
You should dive into that, because if you're visible enabled, it would be a good advantage to have that.
Yes, this can be very helpful. So I'll give your feedback to my management. That's, thank
voice
you so
enabled.
much. Thank you. Any questions? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Please be here on the stage only. Thank you so much, Mr. Mohit Sharma, for the insightful presentation. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Mohit Sharma, Manager Sales, Epson India Private Limited. And to felicitate him on the behalf of Time2Grow Media, I would like to call on stage Mr. 𝗙𝗶𝗸𝗲𝗄, National Sales Head, the Ultimate Knowledge, TUK.